Okay, today we're going to be doing a trend that you probably have seen plastered all over Instagram. Here's some videos of it. What it is putting LEDs/Christmas lights on your car. I know I'm putting it on my Mustang, which isn't quite done yet, and I know the wheels are on it, but I have so many LED lights. I literally have, for each one of these, it comes with 100 lights per every 20 feet. It's going to be 2,000 lights on my car. It's going to look pretty trippy, and hopefully you won't be able to see the fact that my fitment isn't great. I'm putting on the wheels spring, so wait. To be able to supply all this power, I'm going to be using a power inverter from my DC power from my cigarette outlet to a USB. I'm going to do 2 different strands. There's 2 different ports right here, so I'm going to be able to split up the power and hopefully not absolutely cook my battery. Now, at least the plan of attack as right now is I'm going to start by starting from the rear, and I'm going to trace the body lines of this car to the best of my abilities. And then as I find more space or more things I can actually do, I'm going to then add more body lines or designs into the car. I'm going to split it so the design is going to wrap from the back, starting all the way up here, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. That way I can actually maybe include the doors. The doors have to get included from over here, or else when I open it, they won't come off. So I'll have to be smart about how I do that. Either way, it's going to look fucking trippy as hell and super cool. Okay, so with the power inverter plugged in, whenever I switch this on, give it a second, purple lights come on. So this is going to be perfect. It's going to come from here, everything. I'm going to be able to control everything from here, and it has fuses so it won't overblow or won't overheat. And I can also take out this power cord in the meantime so that's not wasting any power. Time to now mount this in some sort of design, starting from up here, working our way down and around. Okay, so we've officially mounted the purple running up along the top, coming down along the wide-body fender, coming back over it. Now it's going to start going to red to the rear, also to match the taillights and everything else that goes on in the rear. This other side is coming along at the exact same pace. She's doing the other side that I'm not doing. This is going to be sick. This is only one strip connecting to the second strip. And in each side of the car, we have 9 strips. We have lights all across the reds. The purples are mocked up 100%. Now we're on to blue, which is going to extend over the A-pillar to the front of the car. And we're going to start getting to the front of the car. This is going to look super fucking sick. I'm super excited to show you what this is going to look like afterwards. I got a big bundle of blue. I'm going to turn on the car, see, and make sure everything still works. Hopefully it does. If not, I'll run another inverter from my second power source up there. And if we need to do that, that means I'm going to have to set up all the lights tonight and then pick up another inverter another day. Okay. Oh my god. Ignore it. It looks absolutely crazy. I can't wait till we add like stuff going down the side skirt, more detail and everything. It's gonna look so sick. Percent of power. Jesus Christ. These things look crazy going down the road. That's amazing. Crunch this light right here. That's okay. looks so good, baby. What's your 2 cents? I got Christmas lights on the dash. I got Christmas lights everywhere. Okay, time to unplug this thing. Turn off all the Christmas lights. Make sure that's unplugged. Time to turn off the car. And then I got a mess and I have to clean up before we can hit the road and take some rollers and stuff like that. This is all the garbage I gotta pick up. This is absolutely fucking crazy looking. Oh my god. What a trip and a half. Wow. How do you think it came out, baby? What? Came out sick. I'm so happy with how it came out. Alright, I'm gonna take a couple photos. We're gonna take a couple shorts and a couple videos real quick for the Instagram. I might turn off my headlights. I'll do that. But it's gonna look super fucking sick and I'll show you guys when they are ready. Alright guys, you guys gotta let me know what you guys think of the car. I'm so happy. And with the wide body, I think it really adds to the whole lighting configuration of this. Absolutely ridiculous looking. So fucking cool. Here's one final wrap around. Alright, if you guys like the video, please drop a subscribe. I'll throw in a couple more clips and a couple photos I've taken right here. And you guys will see it on my Instagram if you guys want to see more content. This is absolutely crazy. I might keep it on for a couple more days. So if I do get any reactions from any friends or anything, I'll pop them in right here as well. You like it?
I like it.
Damn. Griffin, turn off your lights.
Hey, turn off your lights, not turn on your lights.
Griffin, what's your opinion?
Why would you do this?
It looks tight. What do you mean? It literally looks so tight.
It's kind of cool.
We followed body lines too of like the car, and like anywhere like there's like a kit line or like a hood line, we followed it all the way around. This only took like a couple hours.
Just like seeing her for the first time again.
Flying too close to the sun.